Accessing your MyMirror session. Before your session starts, you will receive an email letting you know that your session is about to begin. This email will include a link to join your session. Click the link in the email and you will be directed to log on to your MyMirror account. Once logged in, you'll see two options to join your session, one in the top right corner and another under upcoming sessions. Prior to the session, you can also view a countdown showing the time remaining until your session begins. When you're ready, click Start Session. Please allow any pop-up prompts to access your camera and microphone, also ensuring no other tabs or applications are using these devices, as this can interfere with the platform. You'll then be directed to a virtual waiting room until your psychologist joins. If they have not yet joined within 10 minutes, a notification will appear with next steps and troubleshooting tips. Once your psychologist joins the session, the video chat will open, and you can also use the chatbot to communicate in case of any technical issues during the session. When the session is complete, simply click the End Session button to exit. If you have any further questions, please contact our customer success team on 02 9090 4730 or hello@mymirror.com.au.